Okay, we're ready to start our next task here. And this valley there was a problem when we first purchased the property. One night I went up there with a ladder. We kind of weaseled one in here. It did not fit right. It hit against this. It was a very awkward situation, but I was able to get up there and repair the leak. But I didn't do a very good job. I didn't run them straight. I don't know if you can tell that. Yeah, you can kind of tell towards the top there. It comes in and then it goes back out, and you see all those broken ones. So it was a makeshift patch, which I hate to do. I thought it was pretty good at the time, but this year I see one fell off right here. So that's definitely a leak. And here's the slate right there. And there's other issues here. So here we have one. Here we have a hole in one. I see one up there. And once you start taking them off, I mean, these are 150 years old. I'm gonna run into a bunch, but that's okay. Everyone I run into gets a brand new one. And surrounding now, the only bad thing is these right here are brand new. Well, they're not brand new. They were done when I did that. So some of these I will have to take out gently and put back in, because one like this is probably now I'm going to replace it. So first thing I'm going to do is clean all this up. This is like a nice catch area for the leaves. So we'll clean all this up, go and get my slate tools, and then we're going to start taking slate off, and we're going to redo this whole bottom area here. I probably will not come over into here. This could be done later. This all looks okay for now, although that one right there is going to get replaced. But we're going to redo this whole area, and then I'm going to start working up through, and this will be the first time using the slate ladder that I invented for this application. I am not sure how it's going to go. I know it would go really nice if this wall wasn't here, but it is. So I'm not sure how that's going to go. But for the first 4 feet, I can reach them. So that's going to cover. I'm not going to get any further than that today. I'm probably not even going to get that far. But for the first several hours, I'm going to be just working from the ground, which is easy. After that, I'll probably put a platform on here or just a ladder, and I'll be able to get up another 2 feet most likely. So we'll figure something out. Maybe I block something up here. I don't know. But I'm going to get up there a ways before I even get the ladder out most likely. And then from there on up, it's going to be the ladder, and then I may even have to make some pieces to get to the top. So this will be interesting, and this is going to take many hours, but this will be a job well done. So it's not going to get done unless I start. I'll do many videos along the way, but let's get going. Clean up first. Get the work area prepared. And this is we're up on the roof next to the big tree, which its days are numbered. Very sad, but this is going to get taken down. Unfortunately, it's just too much potential damage to the house, and I just can't take that chance. So I am going to have a tree guy come in, and he's going to get it to the ground. Talked with him yesterday. He's excited, but yet sad that it'll be coming down. I feel the same way. We thought we had the bees all died, but it turns out we do have some honey bees going in here. Not many. I don't know if you can see that one. But a few. I didn't really want them going in here anymore. But they are going in the... If you look up there, you're going to see some activity flying around there. They're definitely going in the top. They're still active, very active hive. This is the area that was hit by the tree and we repaired last year. All the repair looks excellent. Since I'll be up here working on slate, probably this one will get replaced. We have one over here that has tar on it. Might as well rip them two out and replace them. You know, just, it's 150 years old, so it's not surprising that some of them are going bad. It is PA slate, not noted to last as long, unless it's out of the, oh, I can't remember, the orange bird vein or something, but I don't know if this is or not. Here's a piece of tar. I don't like that. Oh, here's a hole right here. So that one should come out and get replaced. So we're just going to examine everything as we go here. Replace this area. Once I'm up here with my tools, I might as well do it. Okay, there we go. 150-year-old slate roof with some repair, but here's the new one I did probably 12 years ago. No, probably 8 years ago. Beautiful. New York and Vermont slate along the border. All different colors. This one I did some tests on, so you get square edge, and I did some different shapes. Some of the honeycomb, some rounded, straight again, some rounded, half honeycomb, more of the scallop look. So it just goes to show you can do the designs, and it just looks awesome. I just love slate. This is a very good slate. The Vermont slate is a very hard slate. You can tell by tapping it. This green slate is very good stuff. I mean, we could be looking at 250 years on this stuff. So let's get going on the repair, and let's get this valley looking awesome.